a counterfeit good slightly even better looking than a non-counterfeit good. And you know the danger that this brings to our economy. I mean, talk about even the threat it does to the big four. It will threaten people's health because we have medicines going around that are not genuine.
Mumaya marongoreirio maofitha honge itiganite kuma thirikari cia county na thirikari nene kuria mambereirie na county ya Machakos.
There's a possibility of fake money being circulated to bribe voters. So we are asking the members of the public to be on the lookout.
During this study, we found a figure of 762 billion shillings were being lost to counterfeiters and losing the government 126 billion in terms of revenue. So definitely it is a big menace that has hit our economy.
Girifotra Inooro TV, Jetako Jenga, Oaboi.
So kirioto tiwaika baineriu kihitahitano gia giturwa kia governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga tuko tugutwara ku kahinda gatari harano tombe tugutwara kure mona wa ikabaine kuria mubunge wa Kilome wikeneta Thaddeus Nzambia augete ati ikinya ria Kalonzo Musyoka ria gucoka thini wa ngwatano ya Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya Alliance ndio guteithiriria Odinga gukayukia uhotani wa giturwa gia president kigwate makirima gicunje kia 40 kia aikia akura aika baine nimetiketie na mari na mwihoko na mwerekera wa Kalonzo. Mubunge ucio akiaria ari mwana wa Kilome ugete ati ona wedio aika baine ni muthingatirie kia maine kia Azimio 1 Kenya kwa muhiano kuheo ma minister kiheri na mweke uria Philip Kaloki aheto wa gutuika munini wa governor wa county ya Nairobi rugurwa Polycarp Igathe magigathurwo Leu akienda aikari aikabaine magathura Odinga.
Na His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka na wale waheshimiwa wengine wote tumeshakuliwa na upande wa Wiper, tukasimama na yeye, na ni kwa hayo kulitokea kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Wakamba na wale wengine tutafaitika na mawaziri 5 na zaidi. PSS tutapata na sisi tutakuwa kwa serikali ndani kabisa. Kwa hivyo nachukua hii nafasi nishukuru Kalonzo Musyoka kwa niaba ya wananchi wa Kilome, kwa sababu hiyo msimamo alisimama ndio imefanya tuweze kupata chenye tumeangizwa. Ukambani yote ni Wiper na iko locked 100%. Hata wananchi wenyewe wamekubalia ya kwamba Kalonzo alifanya vizuri kusimama ngangari, na ndio sababu hii tunasema ya kwamba tutashika Raila Amolo Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua ndio tuweze kupata ushindi kwa raundi ya kwanza na over 70%.
Tugutoreru kuria kaunti ya Kirinyaga kuria kihitahitano gia giturwa kia governor wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga githiete na mbere na gwakiriria governor Anne Waiguru agitetera giturwa giake riri nake mubunge wa Ngui Ngirishi uria uratanya gutuika governor wa gatatu wa kaunti yo nake akiuha muingi ria cio maruha muingi wa Kirinyaga Ngirishi akienda andu matikarore ciama indi mathure mundu kuringana na uhoti wake rinake governor Waiguru aramauha akimoria mathure aria marugamite na kiama kia UDA. Haron Njoroge wa Maina yaratariri
Thikũ 60 tu mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene rũkũngũ rwa ũteti kĩbũrũri rũthiĩte na mbere kũmbũrwo na ona kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga makĩria gĩturwa-inĩ kĩa gavana wa kaunti ĩyo Anne Waiguru agĩtetera gĩturwa gĩake nake wa Ngui Ngirishi akinyotera gĩturwa kĩu. Ngirishi ũrĩa ũrũgamĩte arĩ mũndũ kĩũmbe oriti aikia kura makiria 350 a kaunti ĩyo matigathure andũ nĩ ũndũ wa ciama ĩndĩ mamũthure nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoti wake gũtungata.
Tuthure andũ arĩa mangĩtũteithia ta andũ tutigane na ndeto cia ciama tuge nĩ twovegire nĩ tuthiĩte na mbere kĩakiri na kĩmĩkarĩre nĩketha twatwa kũthura mũndũ tukathura mũndũ ena kĩoneki na mũndũ ena bata wa kaunti itũ.
Nake Waiguru uria urugamite na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA thiini wa Kenya Kwanza oriti aikia kuracio magathura atongoria na thuti ya UDA.
Kiama gitu kia UDA ni twibangite uria kwagiriire na tunyitite Kirinyaga miena yothe warora ukona twebangite o mwena ni gwikite gite gya county maheto no warora mwena ucio ngi ite ciothe irarutwo handu hamwe.
Waiguru akiuria aikia a kura kaunti iyo makamuthura na kura nyingi niguo kweheria nganja na nigetha athie na mbere gutungata Kirinyaga.
No gwetuge muhoya muige kura cianyu na mweri wa kanana ne mukaumira kana mugakorwo toro marauga ate ni undu tutire na presidential candidate gikuyu gitikaumira ne mukaumira inyuothe.
Nake Ngereci augite ati aria mari utongoria-ini ni maremetwo ni wira na riu ni ihinda muingi withurire aria mekutungata
na aria mangi namo akwa ni mabitiu wona twaga twamwira mabitia mao akorwo ni mama namo metikire mabitia ni mandui ni mao akwa mundu ndirabitetio twamwira bana ni rabitetie reke okaga kamwira ni sori bana ndirekire atia ndirabetirie ni ketho kumuruta tugakorwo na ngoro njuru tukamuruta tumwobere kana atia.
Area yao na gukire uguo ni mahinyiriirie muingi wa kaunti iyo guikarania na thayo hindi ino ya kambeini. Thengia ya Waiguru na Ngereci aria angi maranyotera giturwa kiu kia gavana wa Kirinyaga ni hamwe nao seneta wa ihinda riri Charles Kifiro na kiama kia Jubilee, Shobada wa kiama gia Kadu Asili, Mureithi Kagai wa kiama kia na Kenya, Peter Ireri wa kiama kia ANC, Peter Gitau wa Safina na gavana wa mbere Joseph Dathi wa kiama gia TSP. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Tugotara riu ruhonge-ini rwa magoti tukumenyithie guku na kuria maundu maikaire mihango ya gukinyaniria mubango wa kuhuthira uiguithanio utuithania macira riu urikoragwo ukigiritania macira maria mari magoti-ini manene mogoro na hau kabere kuria urahuthikaga magoti-ini ma gikiro gia thitu makiruguria mubango igoti-ini ria Kitale acirithania a igoti nene Agri Muchelule na Luka Kimaru maugite ati hamwe na kweheria murigo wa macira magoti-ini na ikinya rirahe andu mweke wa gwetha kihonekia ngucanio ciao mategutinda magitwarana magoti-ini.
Number 5235
ruhonge rwa magoti ruhugukiire mubango wa kuhuthira uiguano gutuithania macira iri njira ya kuhuthia macira maria makomete magoti-ini metereire gutuithanio. Mubango uyu ni uruguritie igoti-ini ria Kitale kuria maingi ma macira maria makomete kuo makonie ngucanio cia migunda.
The cases which are targeted for mediation are family related disputes, that is succession, if you have issues to do with custody of children, land disputes, and any matter which is civil in nature, but which it involves the family.
Hamwe na kweheria murigo wa macira magoti-ini mubango uyu no urirehaga kihonia kia ngucanio iria ireho ihinda-ini inini ukiringithania na ihinda riria macira moyaga magoti-ini.
The whole country, from the Chief Justice, the lowest magistrate, we're just about 700, serving about 50 million Kenyans. So it's not possible that courts alone would resolve all your disputes. So lazima tutasaidiana na mediators.
Case is first filed in court and then it is referred by the court to certified mediators. The cases, once they are referred to mediation, they are supposed to be heard and concluded within 60 days. And time can be extended shortly, maybe for another 10 days.
Kwihokera muingi kwetha kihonia kia ngucanio ciao ni undu uguteithia kurimira uiguano kuona ni kureheria uhoro wa kuhota na kuhotwo uria wonekaga magoti-ini na riu mubango uyu ni uriroraga nginyagia macira maria mari magoti-ini manene.
In many developed countries, over 90% of cases that are filed in those courts don't go to hearing. They are resolved by means other than litigation.
Even before it was launched, we have already referred several matters to mediation and they have been successfully mediated. That is by the Chief Magistrate's Court. But the High Court, with effect from today, now will be able to refer those matters to mediation.
Gukorwo na murigo wa macira ni umwe wa maundu maria makoretwo makihotomia uheani wa motungata ruhonge-ini rwa magoti na uria mucirithania munene Martha Koome eranĩire gutindikana naguo nginyagia wehere. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
Twacokeria ngatho nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitanĩra na ithuĩ gũkinya hau tũkinyĩte tũkwamba tũikĩrie twamũkĩra ndũmĩrĩri cigana ona cia wonjoria tũcokererie na mangĩ marĩa tũrĩ namo.
How do you keep your toilets clean?
I use normal detergent and bleach for washing.
The detergent and bleach cleanless can leave behind yellowness, rust, and germs. Harpic's 10 times better cleaning compared to regular detergents and bleach, and kills 99.9% illness-causing germs in your toilet, including the COVID-19 virus.
Ng'ombe ng'ima nĩ ireganaga na dawa imwe